Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Huawei Band 10, and on this video, we are going to pair it with its support app, particularly on iOS platform. So we are going to pair this fitness tracker with the iPhone. So if you are interested to get this Huawei Band 10, and you are thinking whether it works with the iOS platform or iPhone, well, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start. So we have here our Huawei Band 10, and as you can see here, it's not paired. We reset it so we can show you on how to pair it with the support app Huawei Health on iOS platform. So we have here our iPhone. So in order for us to pair it with the support app, we have to download the Huawei Health. So let's search the app Huawei Health app. Huawei Health. So we have here the app. Tap on the download the application, and let's wait for it to finish, and it will be automatically installed in our smartphone. So let's wait. Okay, so it is now installed in our iOS smartphone or iPhone. So let's open the app Huawei Health. Okay, so next, then agree. Then Huawei Health would like to send you notifications. We will allow the permission. We have here at least 5 menus here. To pair your fitness tracker, go to the device. As you can see here, supports multiple devices at once. Tap on add device. You are required to log in or to register. In our case, we will log in via SMS. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, I'm going to put my phone number here and let's see. Okay, so let's send our verification code. And I guess we are now logged in. Then let's activate all of the permissions here just to test it out. Allow. Then tap on device again. So we have here previously connected Huawei Band 9 and 7. Let's add the Huawei Band 10. Huawei Health would like to use Bluetooth. Okay, so let's OK. Is it activated now? Again, please turn on Bluetooth in Control Center. So we'll activate our Bluetooth first. Okay, so we already activated our Bluetooth connectivity. Tap on again, add device. Then, as you can see here, it's now scanning and looking for our fitness tracker. So we have here the Huawei Band 10. And we also have the Band 9. So connect to the Huawei Band 10. It's now pairing. Confirm it on your fitness tracker. Pair. Allow for the permission for notifications. It's now pairing. Terms of use. Agree. So we have here another permission for your location. So we will allow once. Then OK for the contacts, for the calendar. So these are permissions. Just OK if you like to set up your Huawei Band 10 completely. Then done. And as you can see, we are paired. So let's check. Find device. Does it work? Vibrate. Yes. Okay, so we are successfully paired with the Huawei Band 10. And as you can see, it works with the iPhone or iOS platform. So let's go with the notifications here. So, okay, it's all activated. The only thing that is missing here, as you can see, we don't have a support for the quick reply. We have the watch faces. So let's load it. As you can see, so the same format, the same setup. We have the my faces here. We have notifications, alarm, weather report. We have the health here, but we don't have the quick reply option that we have here, or that we have on Android smartphone. So for those of you who are planning to get this because you want to receive notifications and also you like the quick reply option for the Huawei Band 10, unfortunately the quick reply option is not available. The push notifications is enabled here. As you can see, it has support for push notifications as well as the call notifications, but there's no support for the quick reply option. Other features is available here. For example, device settings, we do have remind when disconnected, raise to wake. We have app management for the calendar. Okay, I don't know if we can synchronize it with the Apple Health. Let's see. So device settings, go back, profile, my plans, my data, my asset. We don't have third-party services. So we have Health Kit, Huawei Health Kit. Okay, enable. I don't see any Apple Health here. Okay, maybe for the updates. We'll see in the next video. We'll check it if there's an option for the Huawei or for the Apple Health integration. But so far, you can pair your Huawei Band 10 with the iPhone or iOS platform. There's some missing features for the Huawei Band 10 such as quick reply option. Again, if you have any questions regarding this pairing, this video demo for the pairing of Huawei Band 10 with the iPhone, drop a comment below. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.